Staying healthy is important, especially at home. Being at home more means we sit more. It can be hard to stay active. But there are, easy ways to stay healthy at home. You can reach a healthy weight. You can feel your best. Small changes can make a big difference. Let's learn how to lose weight at home. Food is fuel for our bodies. Choosing healthy foods helps us lose weight. Start by drinking more water every day. Water is good for you and helps you feel full. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. They are full of vitamins and make you feel good. Try to limit sugary drinks like soda. Choose water or unsweetened tea instead. Eating less sugar is a great way to lose weight. You don't need a gym to exercise. Moving your body at home is easy. Try walking around your house during TV commercials. You can also dance to your favorite music. If you have stairs, walk up and down them a few times. Even small amounts of movement help. Losing weight is about more than just food and exercise. Getting enough sleep is important. When you are tired, you eat more unhealthy food. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Manage your stress levels too. Stress can make you gain weight. Find healthy ways to relax, like taking a warm bath. Remember, small changes add up. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and visit our website for detailed guides.